motion ka balawan ra daw MLA ka nongpo constituency ba Meral Bonds im hakajinge day bat ki kampen roy nakabanta ki jaka khapot jong ka jala Meghalaya ban Assam u MLA ka mahoti constituency ba Charles Margar habai shimbanta yakni ka motion u ong ba ka interstate border kalong ka ba bha ban yakren bat ban yapen bej bat ngim tip hado lano ba ka sarkar kala ban penbej yakni ka jingya ka jiang Shushu ba Charles Margar uong ngadai u MLA u nyngkong bansam yaki walk order khmat upaj ba khapot ka Assam bat khmat ki executive member jong ka Autonomous District Council ka Karbi Anglong.
Deputy Speaker, sir, as one of the member of this August House representing border constituency, I'm standing here to support the motion moved by Shri Meral Bonds MLA Nongpok constituency. This House do now discuss the ways forward to address the issue regarding the infrastructures as well as to allocate more funds under ISB ADP and also to pursue with central government for re-implementation of the ADP. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, yes, we all know that the interstate boundary settlement is going on. We don't know when the government can solve this issue. But sir, I'm very happy to, as I've informed yesterday, this August House, I once again would like to inform this August House that the developmental works in the border area, especially in my constituency, is going smoothly. Last year, in the month of November, personally, I met the member of Autonomous Council of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Last year, I went twice to Dipu, Karbi Anglong. We had a talk about the implementation of the developmental works in the border area. I'm happy, Mr. Chairman, sir, to inform this August House that I am the first MLA who distributed the work order in public in the border area in front of the member of the Autonomous Council of Karbi Anglong. Therefore, sir, I take this opportunity to urge the state government to allocate more funds under ISBADP. And also, I urge the state government for re-implementation of border area development programs. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would also like to urge the state government, especially the minister concerned, minister in charge of border area, to kindly revise the guideline for the education infrastructure under ISBA DP. As per the guideline, no private school can sanction through this scheme. But unfortunately, in the border area, there are no government schools. This is the problem that we are facing, and I'm standing here to request the department concerned to kindly revise and change the guideline with regard to education infrastructure. I will not take much time, Mr. Chairman, sir. Point number one that I want to request to urge the government is to allocate more funds, as mentioned by the mover of the motion and my colleague member, and also number two, to change the guideline for education infrastructure. With these few words, Mr. Chairman, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to take part on this motion moved by the mover, Shri Meral Bonsim, MLA of Nongpok constituency. Thank you.